Here is a quick review for my using the Theodolite application yesterday during a flight. It was a twin propeller engine, which is a problem. As you can see, there is some horizontal lines. That is the shadow of the blades as it was reflecting on the window. Also, another problem you see is the horizon is not at all clear, and I was just taking pictures as I wasn't sure what I'm pointing at until it got clearer at some point, and I started taking the test pictures. As you see, the angle varies between 0.6 and 0.8 in minus, and that is not what the globe predicts at 3,200 meters. It should be, I think, minus 1.4. But there's a picture here. One of them is minus 0.8, and it's the closest to the horizon because, as you see, the previous pictures were not exactly at the horizon. But when I was taking the pictures, they seemed well on the horizon. Now the interesting thing is this picture here, which says the angle is minus 10 degrees. That is impossible because it should be at least at maximum minus 2, not minus 10. And I reviewed the picture, compared it with the other pictures on a Photoshop or photo editing, just to make sure the horizon is in the middle of the picture. And yes, the horizon was in the middle of the picture, which leaves the conclusion to either there was a left or right skid for the airplane, like when you're in a car and steering right or left, because the that kind of leveler is using the accelerometer, which depends on gravity or the direction of down. And so if you're in a turn, even in a car, if you're in a turn and you're pointing at the horizon, you will get a false reading. So that's something you should take care of when you're taking the pictures. And I think the best advice now that I learned, the next time I take those pictures, regardless of trying to prove anything, I think it would be better if it was video, because the video would show or would reveal all the kind of possible mistakes. So I say the results of the test yesterday was inconclusive and doesn't prove anything. So anyway, on my way back from that trip, it was by bus, and at half the way, during just a little bit after sunrise, I took some images of the sun. Um with the time difference of 4 minutes, and if you look at the sun elevation, you'll find the difference between the first set of images and the second set of images. It averaged around 1 degree. I just thought it's a good chance, and maybe someone would find this information helpful. Thank you all for watching, and I hope more people, global or flat earthers, can make these observations using Theodolite from an airplane. And I recommend take images as you wish, but I recommend that you also make a video. Thank you for watching.